Hello viewers, let's talk about the ins and outs of student loans and how to manage them. Understanding student loans and how to manage them is crucial for anyone pursuing higher education. Here's a comprehensive overview of student loans, including the types, repayment options, and strategies for managing them effectively. 1. Types of student loans. A. Federal student loans. Direct subsidized loans, available to undergraduate students with financial need. The government pays the interest while the student is in school and during deferment periods. Direct unsubsidized loans, available to undergraduate and graduate students regardless of financial need. Interest accrues while the student is in school. Direct plus loans, available to graduate or professional students and parents of dependent undergraduate students. Interest accrues during all periods. B. Private student loans. Offered by private lenders such as banks, credit unions, and online lenders. Terms and conditions vary depending on the lender, including interest rates, fees, and repayment options. Typically require a credit check and may require a cosigner, especially for students with limited credit history or income. 2. Managing student loans. A. Borrow only what you need. Before taking out student loans, explore other financial aid options such as scholarships, grants, and work-study programs. Borrow only what you need to cover tuition, fees, and essential living expenses to minimize debt. B. Understand loan terms. Read and understand the terms and conditions of your student loans, including interest rates, fees, repayment options, and grace periods. Keep track of the type of loans you have, the loan servicer, and the repayment status of each loan. C. Make a repayment plan. Develop a repayment plan based on your financial situation, including your income, expenses, and other financial obligations. Consider repayment options such as standard repayment, income-driven repayment plans, or extended repayment plans. D. Budget wisely. Create a budget to manage your finances effectively and prioritize student loan payments. Cut unnecessary expenses and allocate extra funds towards paying off student loans faster. E. Explore repayment assistance programs. Federal student loans offer various repayment assistance programs, such as income-driven repayment plans, public service loan forgiveness, PSLF, and loan deferment or forbearance options for temporary financial hardship. 3. Strategies for repaying student loans. A. Pay more than the minimum. Paying more than the minimum payment each month can help reduce the total interest paid over the life of the loan and pay off the loan faster. B. Consider loan forgiveness programs. Explore eligibility for loan forgiveness programs, such as public service loan forgiveness, PSLF, for qualifying public service employees or teacher loan forgiveness for educators. C. Refinance or consolidate loans. Consider refinancing or consolidating your student loans to potentially lower your interest rate, reduce monthly payments, or simplify repayment by combining multiple loans into one. By understanding the terms of your loans, exploring repayment options, and staying proactive in managing your finances, you can effectively manage student loan debt and work towards achieving financial stability.